Hello everyone, and welcome to Lakeland College's virtual open house. My name is Kayleigh, and I'm going to show you how to navigate through our virtual open house. So as a reminder, it is being held on Friday, October 22nd and Saturday, October 23rd. So beginning at lakelandcollege.ca, I'm going to click on See the Schedule. This page here will house all of our open house information. So as you can see here, we do waive our $90 application fee. As a reminder, during Friday and Saturday, when you are on Apply Alberta, at the payment page, there will be a promo code posted here for you to copy and paste into Apply Alberta that will waive our application fee. Scrolling down here, happening all day Friday and Saturday, we do have our help desks available in case you maybe don't know which session to attend or in case you're experiencing any problems. Please feel free to hop into the help desk and we will do our best to help. As well as we do have some one-on-one advising sessions happening all day Friday and Saturday with our business and UT University Transfer academic advisors. So here, the individual sessions schedule. This is a list of everything happening Friday and then Saturday. The sessions Friday and Saturday likely will be the same, so you can join a session that works best for your schedule, or if you wanted to attend both days, that is completely fine. Scrolling through here, once you find a session that you want to attend, simply click on Join this session, and this will either take you to a Zoom link or to a Microsoft Teams link, which you can access directly from your mobile device or from your computer. Also, look for some virtual tours that we have going on too during Friday and Saturday. Attending a session is a great way to meet instructors in our programs as well as current students. And so just scrolling through here, as you can see, we do have quite a few sessions happening on Friday and about the same amount of sessions on Saturday. So I hope this video helped you navigate our virtual open house, and we hope you had a great experience. Thanks for joining us.